In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make separate pages in your Wix website. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will manage the structure and content of your website. Make sure you are inside the correct site before making changes, especially if you manage more than one project. Once the editor has fully loaded, you will be ready to add a new page. Next, look to the left side sidebar and click the Pages and Menu icon. This section controls the pages on your website and how they appear in your site navigation. When you open it, you will see a panel that shows your current pages and menu setup. This is the main area you will use to create a separate page and organize it properly. At the bottom of that panel, click the Add Page button. This tells Wix that you want to create a new page within your website. After you click it, Wix will give you a few options for how you want to begin. You can then select a page template if you want a ready-made layout. This is useful if you want a faster starting point and prefer to work from a design that already has sections in place. If you would rather build the page yourself from the ground up, choose Blank Page instead. That gives you a completely empty page, which is ideal if you want full control over the layout and content. After that, enter a name for your new page and click Done. Choose a clear name that matches the purpose of the page, since this will help keep your site organized and make navigation easier for visitors. A simple descriptive page name is usually best. Once the page is created, it will automatically appear in your site menu. This means visitors will be able to see it as part of your website navigation, unless you later decide to change the menu settings. It is a good idea to quickly check that the page name looks correct and that it appears where you expect it to in the menu. Finally, click Publish. This is the step that makes your changes live on your website. If you skip publishing, the new page will exist in the editor, but visitors will not be able to access it on the live site. That covers everything you need to know.